Does working the night shift affect your ability to win custody? Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by talking a little bit about working day shift versus night shift and how that might affect your ability to have custody of your kids. So the quick answer is not necessarily, which that's actually kind of the answer to most questions about the law is that it depends. And in this situation, it really does depend. The big thing is it depends on what your schedule looks like. Are you working 7 nights a week? Are you working 5 nights a week? 4, 3? Like how many overnights are you going to be working where you're obviously not going to be home while the child's sleeping? The second question is what kind of support system do you have? Do you have a spouse, a boyfriend or girlfriend, siblings, friends, aunt, uncles, parents? What does your support system look like as far as like who can help you with the child, who can be at home with the child while you're at work, who can make sure that they're there when the child gets home from school, or helps get the child ready for work if you're or ready for school if you're not home from work in time. So working the night shift in and of itself, that's not a deal breaker, but it does come back to the question of, okay, but what does this look like for the child? Because ultimately, it's always going to come down to what is in the child's best interest. That's always going to be the standard. That's always going to be like the rule. That's the golden line that you're trying to meet is what's in the child's best interest. So you're going to need to be able to show how or why is it in the child's best interest to still be with you and for you to have custody while you're working nights. If you can do that, great. You've got a great argument for custody. If you can't, then yeah, you're probably not going to get there. So the schedule, the work schedule in and of itself doesn't necessarily help or hurt, but it is a factor that goes into ultimately deciding what is in the child's best interest. I've seen plenty of parents get custody of their children while working nights, and I've seen plenty of parents also lose custody of their children because they're working nights. It's really going to depend on the totality of the circumstances there. It's not just the night shift in and of itself. It's how does it impact your ability to parent your child. If you have questions about this, definitely give me a call. You can reach me at Wirth Law Office. My name is Carl Birkhead, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.